So when we are working with AI, we have already know somehow by knowing or by not knowing, we are considering these steps or these points to discuss either we are passing through these ethical issues or not. We are passing, the main problem is plagiarism. We have a plagiarism or not. We can recheck them and we can rewrite them so we can reduce the plagiarism. That's how the content will be changed, and that's how the whole content you have taken is will be changed. But it is not recommended to take the content from the AI, research thoroughly with the specific sources, citations, and then write them in your research paper or research articles. So what is the right side of using AI tools? Do you think that these AI tools can think of a new research topic? No. You are the on writer and you are the researcher. You can think a novel research idea, a novel research methodology to work on it. So AI tool will never give you a new idea. They give you the idea that are already published. But a novel idea or the idea you have generated in your mind is yours. AI tool can't help you over there. So I have emphasized, don't generate the whole content from the AI. You have to use common sense. Sometimes chemotherapy is using for the liver treatment, but it is also uses for tuberculosis. So both sentences are not correlated with each other. So it's a very difficult to understand it. So you have to use your common sense. Either these two sentences are related to each other or not. Also, don't think that these AI tools is your supervisor. They are here to help you, to assist you in your research process, in your research writing process, but these are not your supervisor. So if you get any trouble during your writing process, please ask your supervisor or your mentor to help you out to this. So don't rely too much on the AI tools. Do your own thinking process, do your own homework to find out the relevant information and how to write these content with your own thinking. So we are going to start a mock project during this whole presentation. So don't start with your own project and get frustrated. Start your project with a mock project. First, try to understand their algorithm, try to understand what the kind of these AI tools are, and try different type of the queries. Once you understand their platform, so start with your own writing projects. Have a compared three different research based, and their comparison will be Google Scholar, and AI based search engine. In the Google, it is not focused on the academic research. For example, you can go on your Google, simultaneously on Google Scholar and simultaneously on the Semantic Scholar. Write a different question, write the same question on 3 windows.